most important node in Gaia is combine. It's in adjustment. We are in adjustment. Combine is for combining primitives, geoprimitives, all train, for combining mask, for combining texture, for combining everything. Any node in Gaia, you can do it. For example, we have a hill. We have a simple hill here, and then a simple fault. You can combine into each other. For a fault, it's up there, as you can see. If you want to better see that, you can go into the clamp and drop it to the floor if you want. It's not important, but for this is all fault. You want to combine into each other. This is on combine node. We have input 1, input 2, and the mask of that. And this is an output. The simplest way of combining is click, drag, and connect to two output. It's automatically combining to each other. This is the simplest way. Or another way is connect output 1 to output 1 of these, output 2 to 2 of these. And it's combined. And as you can see, it's combined to train for us. And the combine node in its settings, we have exactly like a Photoshop layering. For example, if you want to blend two layers to each on top of each other, you can blend them, you can add them, you can screen them. As you can see, we have a different layering system. Max them. It has a different result. For example, mean, it's nice. It's deleting the border and just go inside. I don't want to go mathematical things behind them. Just experiment them and use the thing that you want, or you can insert them, you can embed them. In some of them, you have some separate settings. For example, in a blend, okay, in a blend, as you can see, ratio is in a half. It means in 15. It means half of heel and the half of the fault combine to each other. If you bring it to the 100%, it means no combine, no blend. 100% of output 2. If you make it to the 0, it means 100% of input 1. It means heel. So for blending to each other, you can right click and in a 50. If you want to see heel more, you can, for example, increase it. As you can see, the faults are disappearing because we want to see more that heel. Or if you want to see more the faults, heel will be disappear. Right click and and here you can swap input. For example, if in 100% it's a heel, you can swap it if it's a fault. Swap the input 1 and input 2. Separation mask, I'll be explaining some example. Clamp output, it's clamping output. For example, the power, making that, square insert. In some of the cases that you have, as you can see, it's clamping to each other. You can add to each other. You can auto level it, and then as you can see, it's a clamp output. If you have a very bad height, you can clamp it. It's nice difference. Yeah, in some cases you can see it. Okay, you can blend to each other, and you can, as you can see, this combine node has all of this post-product node, and then it means the node that you can, after that you can change its settings. But here is you can auto leveling it. It's automatically giving a best level, or you can use the auto level separate node on clamp separate node, or simply clamp it. For example, here you can change the height of that. I explained them these nodes before. They are here. The auto level and the clamp are all in all nodes, but we have a separate node with more control. I explained before in a previous lesson. You can refer to them. And this is absolute number that I explained it before with the threshold. You can see such these things to that. Okay. You can combine, of course, for example, this is our heel. You can auto level it to make it higher and then clamp it a little to correct the height. You can, of course, combine the mask. For example, I have the mask here, or you can hit the tab or right click and type mask. It's better if you know the heel. This is our mask. For example, oh, it crashed. Sorry for that. The guy is good, but in some cases it's crashed. I make it bigger. Okay, again, I have a heel. It's nice, or it's better to make a simple mountain. Okay, to level it, then clamp it. Nice, going in this direction. And as you can see in almost nodes, we have a mask input that you can mask that. And you can right click and type a mask. Okay, this is our mask. Edit mask and a bigger size. This is our mask number 1. And close editor. And I bring another mask from here. You can type it, or if you know where is that, you can insert it. This is our mask number 2. Edit mask again, and this is our mask number 2. Close editor. And as you can see, we have 2 masks, mask number 1, mask number 2. You can combine them to each other and then input it to any mountain that you want. The simplest way to create a combine, you can type a combine from the adjustment and bring it that. Oh, I'm sorry, before for explaining them, don't be confusing. I close them all. After that, you are professional, you be professional in Gaia, you can actually close this toolbar. Yeah, as you can see, you can close this toolbar and just type the node that you want. You don't need to search with me, but I want to explain them for the first. For the beginners, you have to know where are the nodes. So the simplest way to combine, click and drag output and connect to the other output of the node that you want to combine and release. As you can see, it's automatically combine the noise to each other, blend the intersection, or you want to screen them, or you want to max them. You can combine also. You can see you can difference them, combine the mask, and then give the output of the combine, because the mask to the mask of the mountain. And as you can see, this is our mask that we use. This is it means that in the white area we have 100% of that mountain. The black area we don't have any mountain. In a gray area we have 50 half of that mountain. And here is our result. This is a mask, so all about the black and white. Okay, simple. So you learn that you can combine the mask also. I will be explaining more about the texture, but if you want to assign a texture, you have to click a texture, click and drag and release and type a texture. I want to give it prepare this mountain for texturing, and after that you can click and drag again and release. I will be explaining SAT map. It's a better node for texturing. As you can see, you can texture your mountain very simple way. Okay, for example, something like this. This is our SAT map number 2, and you can click and drag another SAT map to that SAT map. This is our SAT map. As you can see, we have 2 SAT map. For example, very special. For example, like this. As you can see, we have a two opposite color, and as you can see, I will explain them more. Just I want to explain you can combine everything in Gaia. We have two sat map and we want to combine them to each other. Click and drag it. This is our mountain. We prepare it for texturing, assign two sat map to texture, and then combine them. You can blend them, you can subtract them, you can power them, you can insert, and you can use it flatten, extend. Oh, it's for right click. Don't use them, just use the blend, add, screen, subtract, multiple. As you can see, you can combine these two texture with a different texture to the final texture. Combine them. Okay, as you can see, you can combine everything in the Gaia. For example, this is our mountain, and again, this is our fault. You can combine them to each other, and as you can see, this is uncombined. For embed, we have extend, that you can extend it if you want. For insert, flatten it. I think for insert, unfortunately, it has a bug. Okay, I will explain insert in some examples. So it's a different method for combining together. Just you can combine every node to each other. For better understanding the most of the settings of these, I have to explain you in some examples, combining specific things together, and you'll learn more. Just know this and combine and it's in a simple setting. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.